This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Stacy Pietraszynski. Welcome to 3125 Parkside Lane, a custom-built Georgian Style Colonial. This beautiful, well-built and exceptionally maintained home has a timeless and versatile floor plan. Excellent quality and attention to detail is seen throughout. Grand two-story foyer with detailed millwork leads into a bright, welcoming family room. Feel the warmth radiate from the statement fireplace framed by custom built-in bookcases. Gather around with family and friends in the formal dining room. Spacious eat-in kitchen is a chef's delight with Thermador appliances, granite countertops. Retire to your personal sanctuary in the first floor primary suite. The second floor has a wonderful layout and offers plenty of space and privacy. 2 generous en-suites along with 2 additional bedrooms, and the rooms over the garage are a bonus. Relax and enjoy the quiet of your private backyard under the pergola on your deck or sitting under the stars by your firepit. This home is move-in ready. Make it yours today. For more information, review the